everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sadaf, a MERN-Stack developer, and today is day 12 of the MERN-Stack interview question series. I have added the playlist link in the description, so make sure to check it out for your upcoming interview preparation. So without any ado, let's get straight to the point. Today's first question is related to React.js. The question is, what is the callback function? This is a basic concept in JavaScript and an important question that might come up in an interview. First, let's look at the definition of a callback, then understand what a callback function is and why we use it. So basically, a callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. This technique allows one function to call another function. We often use callback functions for handling asynchronous operations. For example, in situations where the operation is delayed, such as in set timeout functions or fetch requests, where you wait for a response from a server. In these cases, a callback function is used to handle what happens after the asynchronous task is completed. To understand the concept of a callback, we use this example. So you can see that there is an increment function that increases the count. This is our first function and it only runs when the button is clicked. When the button is clicked, it not only triggers the increment function but also the callback function that we are passing to set count. The callback function receives previous count, which is the previous state value. It then returns the increment, which updates the state to a new value. This is just one example of a callback function. There are many other examples, like when we use the set timeout function, we pass a callback and a time value as an argument to set timeout. Moving on to our next question, the question is, how can we create a React project and a server for it? This is a very important question because the interviewer wants to see if you are familiar with these basics and if you are prepared for the interview, because sometimes we might forget the commands or steps, especially if we have not worked on projects for a while. So to create a React app, we use the command npx create React app name, and to create a server, we use npm init-y. Moving on to our next question, the question is, what are fragments? In React, a fragment is a way to group multiple elements together without adding extra nodes. When working with JSX, our code must be wrapped in a single top-level element. So if we want to include two paragraphs or other elements, we must enclose them inside a parent element. Using a fragment allows us to do this without adding unnecessary HTML elements. And that concludes day 12 of our MERN-Stack interview question series. I hope you found this series helpful for your upcoming interview. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interview questions and coding tips. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have included the link to my Instagram account in the description. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.